Hello my dear, I'm Sally and today it's a small video about rituals. When you continue to do the same thing, the same rituals every day, then they become a habit also. So be aware of what you really want to do. How can you create your own sacred moment, own space? How can you really come to yourself even in a daily stressful day? For me, if I have every morning my same ritual, waking up, and maybe the time depends. Like if you really want to start and really want to have a good schedule, then take the same time, same materials you use. Same room. That makes everything easier. Even here in the background, you can see the mandala was at the beginning just a point, and then step by step it grows. So with your ritual it's the same. At the beginning maybe it's hard to continue to something. You need every piece, and together at the end you have the big mandala. You have yourself and your own strength and your own power, and it's supporting you in the best way you can have. Do whatever you feel, what supports you. Maybe good music, maybe some incense, and of course the best, if you can share your time. Maybe you can't always stick to the same time, for example. For me, when I'm traveling, but I still stick to my rituals because they give me stability and a good structure in my day. I always start with my morning yoga and morning meditation, and of course with some pranayama, breathing exercise. Even there sometimes I stick for 21 days to one pranayama exercise, because then I can go more into the depth. And some other times I change every day, even my yoga. So I think it's always good to listen to your body. What do you need today? And how can you support yourself in the best way? And then it's also time to stick to them. Thank you.